Hello everyone, it's Tom. I'm back again. And as you can see from the title of this video, today I'm going to be helping you to get rid of ads from your Android phone. iPhone users, I'm sorry, but I don't own an iPhone and I don't plan to at any point in the future. That's not for me anyway, but yeah, there you go. So unfortunately I don't have a way to demonstrate this, but I can assure you that that one is yeah, it's quite easy actually, easier than this. Anyway, first of all, I just want to demonstrate to you what I mean by having ads on an Android phone. So of course, if I go to an ad-filled website, in this example I'm going to be using thesun.co.uk. And yeah, it's a shame about Gene Hackman, by the way, of course. But anyway, if we have a look, you can see there at the bottom, kind of in the middle, it says Virgin Voyages. Yeah, that's an advert. And as well, if we continue going down, yeah, there's more stuff here, and obviously this is just junk that comes up on a web page, and unfortunately we just can't get rid of it, can we? Because Chrome on mobile doesn't actually allow us to install AdBlock, or rather uBlock. uBlock is what I use on my computer. Anyway, that's just a website, and then if we have a look, I've got this game called Count Master right here. Let's open that. And this one really is just a really, it's one of those games that is filled with ads. I mean, look, there's one at the bottom there right now. And then if I begin the game, I mean, this game, it is literally just made to make you watch and see ads so they can make money. Yeah, there's an advert at the bottom saying free dentures or whatever. Okay. Alright, so I choose the reward. And if I tap next level, yep, there we go. So we've got an advert. And yeah, these adverts, they're a pain in the butt. So you've got to wait for ages for them to close. And then sometimes you've got a skip button. And if I tap it, there's just another wait. I've got 5 seconds. Yep. X. Oh, okay, finally, I can come back to this. By the way, yeah, I'm level 243 on this. I've been playing it way too much for a game that I don't even like. Anyway, so let's talk about how we can get rid of these ads, shall we? We're going to use something, and I'm going to actually explain this a little bit before we get right into it. We're going to use something called Adguard DNS. Now, first of all, I need to talk to you about what a DNS server is. So, a DNS server kind of acts like the internet's phone book. So, for example, in my phone, I don't need to remember that Sam Jones's number is 555-1234. Yeah, I don't need to remember that. I just go in my phone book, I look up Sam, I tap Sam's name, and then the number that's assigned to his name is called by my phone. It's easy, right? So this is kind of similar. Well, I mean, yeah, it's the same, but yeah, similar because it's not quite the same as a DNS server on your computer. So when we go to a web browser, we type in google.com. The DNS server in our computer or phone, in this case, translates this into an IP address, which is obtained by the DNS server contacting various other servers. And then when the correct IP address is found, it's taken back to our phone or computer, and then it shows the website. The problem with this is that most DNS servers do not block ads, and they don't protect your privacy. And that's why we're doing this video today. So, we've got Adguard Public DNS, and it's free. I know that public sounds scary, but even so, they do a good job of protecting your privacy. It doesn't matter that it's public, it's still effective, and it's unlimited traffic. So we need to come down to this option here, configure Adguard DNS manually. And of course, I'll leave a link for this in the description. So if we have a look at Android, and there's a setup guide right here. You can have a look at that, but of course, I'm here to help with this video. I'm going to copy the default server. So as it says, the default server blocks ads and trackers. The non-filtering server doesn't block anything, but they still protect your privacy. And then we've got the family server, which blocks ads, trackers, and adult content, so porn and stuff. And then it enables safe search and safe mode. So there you go. Okay, so all we need to do is we go to our settings, network and internet. It might be similar depending on what kind of Android you have. And then we come down to where it says private DNS. So we tap on private DNS provider hostname. I just put in dns.google as a placeholder because once you put something in there, you can't fully clear it. And I had my private server hostname in there, so obviously I don't want to share that with loads of people. So we paste that one in. We click save, and that is it. That is all we need to do. We have basically just eradicated loads of ads from our device. So let's put that to the test. If we come back to the Sun, obviously this content is still here because it's already been loaded, but if I refresh, okay, so yeah, the page still looks a bit messy, but if you see there, right here, okay, cool, that's showing where I'm putting my finger, it says advertisement, but there's nothing loaded. So this is kind of a placeholder where the adverts would go, but it's not loaded because what the DNS server has done is it has blocked the ad domain. So this is a placeholder that the Sun have put on their website so that they can put stuff in here, but it can't load. It just can't get there. And it's the same with this one at the bottom, you see? So it's great. So all we're seeing now is stuff from the Sun. I don't like the Sun. I'm just using this as an example, for a site that has lots of ads. I can even go to Yahoo. So if we go to yahoo.com, and yeah, if we go here once again, there it is. So it says advertisement at the top, but there is no advert. And it just gets rid of a lot of rubbish, even malware as well, actually. There's so much malware in adverts. And then let's go back to that game, Countmaster. I mean, this game is famous, by the way. It's in many adverts, and it's there to make people download it and watch adverts. It's a scam, to be honest. Okay, so if you look at the bottom, yes, I know what you're thinking. Paperboy Race, there is an advert. So this advert is actually internal. That means that this advert is coming from the game itself. It's not coming from the internet. It's actually built into the game. We can't get rid of all of the adverts this way. So that's the point that I'm making here. So you're most likely not going to get rid of adverts in YouTube because the adverts come from YouTube. And of course, if a DNS server blocks YouTube, you can't watch YouTube. So unfortunately, it's not 100% bulletproof. However, the vast majority of adverts are going to disappear, which is good. So if I play the game again, and yeah, I know I'm talking too much. So you can see already that there's no adverts loading now, except for that one at the bottom that is built in. Okay. And look at that, we defeated the guy. Eventually. I suck. Okay, cool. So down he goes. And you'll notice that it's got that green button and it says the different amounts of diamonds. that's a place where I could click and play an advert to get more rewards from the game. But of course, that's now disabled. These games, they kind of know what's happening with these ad blockers, so they stop you from doing ad rewards. So yeah, if you are a fan of watching adverts for ad rewards, this will take them away. You can't, you can't double your rewards or triple your rewards if you add this ad blocker. So yeah, there you go. There's no more ads, and that's it. That is it. And the great thing about this, guys, is that actually it just blocks a ton of other privacy invading stuff, like companies that track you and analyze how you use the internet and things like this. So yeah, I've got to say it's just a brilliant free it's a brilliant free DNS server that you can use. Totally recommend it. And I will leave a link in the description for you. But yeah, guys, I hope that this was useful for you today. Thank you so much for watching this video. And yeah, please like and comment on my video and stay tuned for more videos from me. Thank you, everyone. Take care and stay safe out there.